Welcome back on the channel, and today we're gonna have a look on this last update that just arrived on Redmi Note 9s. I was surprised to receive some of the notification when the phone was on sleep mode, and I'm saying that because this Redmi Note 9s had a problem with the Wi-Fi connection. So when the phone is on the sleep mode, I mean leave it off for longer times, even if it's connected to the Wi-Fi connection, you're not gonna receive notification like from Facebook, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. So saying all the notification on the screen. Also, I've seen that we have an update that it's ready to be installed on the phone. And saying that, I just look on YouTube, and if you can see, even if it's connected to the Wi-Fi, the phone is still searching for the network and doesn't find it, which means the phone's been off for many minutes, and looks like I'm still offline even if I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So all the time you just have to tap once on the Wi-Fi and then tap one more time in order to be back online. And once you're back online, you will receive all the notifications from like I said, Facebook or WhatsApp, or you can even go back to navigate on your YouTube or even Google or other pages. So let's have a look on this new update just received on Redmi Note 9s, and it looks like it's fixing the Wi-Fi connection. Let's deactivate this dark mode. Alright, better like this. And seems that it's fixing the Wi-Fi connection because it was interrupted in some cases. Also, it's coming with the Android security patch from May. So we're just gonna restart this smartphone. We're gonna install this update, and then we hope to have a better Wi-Fi connection. I'm just gonna reboot now. I'm just gonna leave this update to be installed, and then probably I'll have a look. I'm gonna leave this phone for a longer time on a sleep mode, and I'll have a look to see if I'll receive the notification back again. Alright, so the phone just been restarted, and now let's have another look after a couple of minutes if the Wi-Fi connection is working now without any problems. Let's go back on YouTube, and seems to work fine at this moment. I still receive even notifications about a game, and this is happened on this last update. Wi-Fi connection was interrupted in some of the cases, and this new update seems to fix this problem. I don't know if you already received this new update. Give it a try, install it, and see if it's working after that. If so, you can leave a comment and you can confirm that. If not, seems to be a bigger problem and they may fix it in the future. But I don't think so, because seems to be fixed on my phone after I just installed this latest update. So yes, this was the latest update, May update for Redmi Note 9s, which seems to fix the problem with the Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you soon with another video.